Dun, 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 dun. Good Thursday morning. What are we doing today? Uh-oh. That's better. I found a vintage Musselman's print ad. In this print ad, there are 4 versions of Musselman's. In this print ad, there are 4 Musselman sauces to go with pot roast, but we're having ribeye. 'Cause I have ribeye. They did not have a large jar of Musselman's. They had a different version, not the original. The 4th one was curry-based. It's just too much. Let's do 3. I'm really intrigued by the A1 and brown sugar. Applesauce, A1 and brown sugar. Come on! The first in the list is an herbed beef sauce with minced onion, basil, and parsley. Applesauce and minced onion and basil. And the last one is horseradish, paprika, and salt. Horseradish. This one can be chilled. So we will do that now. It's still too early to cook. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking.
Smells like horseradish.
Okay, horseradish, steak sauce, herb what? Herb what? Herb beef, herbed beef, herbed, God damn it, tangy beef sauce, horseradish, and herbed beef. Herbed beef, tangy beef sauce, and horseradish. Let's try the herbed beef first. Okay, we're dipping. Oh. Okay. I can taste the herbs. Let's try it with a teaspoon. Okay. Minced onion, parsley, and basil. That's different. Oh, I'm picking it up. That's interesting. I think it needs some salt, though, to offset the sweetness. But it is applesauce. All right. Let's try the tangy beef sauce. A1 and brown sugar. Ooh. Oh, that's so... It's really weird. I'm picking up horseradish. Is there horseradish in A1? Is there horseradish? Tomato puree, vinegar, corn syrup, orange puree, spices. Huh. That's interesting. I want to try the tangy beef sauce again. It had a horseradish flavor. Try it by the spoon. I've never tasted anything like it. A1 and applesauce. It doesn't taste overly sweet, even though we put a tablespoon of brown sugar. Let's try the horseradish. This has been in the fridge for a little bit. What was it again? Tell you in a minute. Whoa! Wow! Horseradish, salt, and paprika. Because it's so sweet, I don't think I taste the salt. That horseradish is strong, man, on its... That's strong horseradish. It was really good on the meat. It is very strong on its own. Holy moly! I have to say I'm leaning towards the horseradish with the meat. Let's try the herbed again. Herbed. I'm finding the herbed very pleasant. It does taste herby. Tangy beef. Man, I like it. It's sweet. I don't think it's overly sweet. And then it goes into A1. If you're a fan of A1, I think you're going to like that a lot. Let's just do it again. Horseradish. Oh. Wow. We've got our herby. We've got our tangy. And we've got our horseradish. Oh my God. Just stir it around. Let's try the meat first. Here we go. A mix. And by the way, thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? I am so confused.